Okay, so hello guys, my name is Shrek and in today's video I will introduce you the HODL coin. As the name is informating us, it's hodling coin, so as long as you hodl it, the more money you get. But at the beginning I want to tell you all that I'm not the financial advisor, and if you want to invest in HODL, then do your own research, check their website and also contact them on some social medias if you want to. So at the start, site is giving us information, earn money by holding, and I said that before, it's a typical holding coin. You have here some application of HODL. It's really nice, good looking, and also buy now button. You can buy this coin on some PancakeSwap and also on Trust Wallet. You can hold it on Trust Wallet and also on MetaMask. So really nice, and so some future-proof project who can really go to the moon. And also we go lower and we have here information that total BNB in reward pool is 148,000 in BNB, and total HODL market cap is $7 million. So it's really big amount. And also lower we have some social medias of HODL token like Twitter, Telegram, GitHub and Reddit. And more lower we have some introduction video of HODL, but I don't think that those are informations that you're interested in, so we will go to the futures, and here we go. Earn BNB by holding HODL. 4% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HODL holders in BNB. Accumulate BNB by holding the HODL token. So we get 4% of every transaction. Is one of the biggest hodling profits, I think, what I've ever seen in my life, what I have ever presented on this channel. So it's really big. Also automatic liquidity pool is also 4%, and 2% of every transaction is taken and redistributed to all HODL holders. The burn address is also a holder, thus each transaction helps deflate the supply. So the amount of the coin will decrease. At the moment, amount of this coin is really big. I don't want to tell this, but if you want to check this, then go to the website, link in the description, and check it out on your own. And now we have here tokenomics. So 66.4% are sold in pre-sale and launch, so it's really big amount, and people are also interested in this project, so it's really nice. 23% are burned, so as I said, the amount of this coin is decreasing. 5% airdrops, so you can get this coin for free, just follow their social medias, and 5% are given to the team and marketing for videos. Total supply 1 quadrillion, so it's really big amount, but they already burned 23% of this amount. So as I said, the amount of this coin is decreasing, so the price is going up. Official smart contract, you have click in here to get there. Burn address transaction also here, and liquidity locks also here, so it's all legit, as you can see. And roadmap, you can see this in here. I don't want to read this all, but as you can see, CoinGecko, CoinLifeWatch track this coin, so you can also check this out on CoinGecko and CoinLifeWatch if you want to. There are some charts of this coin, and you can see how is it going. How many BNB can I claim? So you can claim the amount of the BNB based on the ratio of HODL you HODL and the total BNB pool. For example, you HODL 1% of HODL, you can withdraw 1% of the BNB reward pool. So if you have 1% of 1 quadrillion HODL, then you can receive, as I can see, 1% of 149,000 of BNB. So it's really nice, it's good percentage. So if you want to invest, then check it out. And here we got Team Andrew, head of the strategy. He's doing pretty well, I need to tell that. Alan, marketing lead, he's also doing well, as you can see. Just in collaboration and partnerships, I saw some videos of HODLcoin on YouTube, so he is also doing his job. JC Wright, lead developer, said he's doing well. App is also doing well, so JC Wright, big shout out. Okay, so now we will go to the app of the HODLcoin, and here we go, and here we can buy some HODL by, of course, PancakeSwap.finance. Now we will see how much HODLcoin we can buy for 1 USDT. Is typical on my channel that we are using USDT to show viewers how much they can buy. So now we go to USDT. 1 USDT is in this moment such a big amount of HODL. So check this out, because 1 quadrillion could go pretty fast of this coin. You will be not able to buy this coin, but the pool of the BNB is pretty high, so you can earn money on this coin, and you need to check this out. So go to the link in the description, and in today's video it's gonna be all. I hope that you like this, and don't forget to leave the subscribe on this channel and comment this video. It's gonna be all. Bye.